Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view archive cards and lists here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing the archive cards and lists in Trello is a straightforward process. Let me show you how you can do it. For example, this card right here, you archive this list, all right? And of course, this one, you archive all cards in the list. Let's try all of that right now. This one, we don't need that one. We don't need that one as well, all right? Now, for you to be able to view the archive cards and lists, all you're gonna do is, now, if you click on the cards right here, there's no option to see or the archive list. You only have the option to archive this specific list or card. Now, what I want you to do is go to the upper right corner, the three buttons here, the ellipsis, click on that, and go to the archive items. You see, this is the cards and lists that you have archived. Now you have an option to switch to list or switch to cards if you want it, all right? And all I'm gonna do, if you wanted, say for example, you wanted to maybe restore product design or marketing website, of course, all I'm gonna do is click on send to board. There you go. Now, if you want to switch to cards, you might wanna choose the something that you want to give back again on the board. Let's say I wanted to have this one, right? Send to board, and that's that. All right, that's basically how you view the archive cards and lists in Trello. Now, as you can see, archive cards serve as a record of completed tasks, helping you track the progress and history of a project, especially for working with multiple freelancers or within a team that needs to maintain audit trails. Viewing archive items ensures that all activities, decisions, and changes are documented and accessible. And if in case you can't find the archive section here at the upper right corner, you're gonna be having problems with bugs and you need some troubleshooting, I want you to go to the help section. And from here, just choose the, there's going to be a technical issues and bugs that you're experiencing. The product is going to be Trello. And from here, once you get a hold of the Trello support, tell them you're having problems viewing the archive cards and lists in your Trello account. And they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.